In your own house, you live in the NCR region, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a LPG cylinder or you have pipe gas or both?
Cylinder.
You have a cylinder. Now, a lot of the cities are going into pipe gas. And what they're doing is they're taking their old cooking range and they are making some minor adjustments and hooking it up to pipe gas. Only thing is, pipe gas is chemically different from LPG. LPG is heavier than air, about 1.5 times heavier than air, and pipe gas is about one third lighter than air. So if I use the same burner, the same gas stove for both, you can be sure that at least 15-20% of my pipe gas is escaping to the atmosphere. Pipe gas happens to be methane. It is 25 to 80 times more potent than CO2 for greenhouse, for global warming. But nobody notices this loss. So one of the things we have done, we have launched a dedicated pipe gas burner across India. And we're hoping that maybe 1 crore households will have it over the next few years. And that will save India not only a significant amount of climate impact, it will actually save money because we are importing natural gas. And to import natural gas, I'm spending a carbon footprint in some LNG tanker, which is bringing it from offshore. And then using pipelines, which also has a cost. A pipeline sounds easy, but a gas pipeline has a compressor which will periodically increase the pressure. Every compressor is a rotating equipment, so it's a machine, so it uses energy. All these things become interlinked.